I wanted to read to you guys a poem I wrote, Destruction of the Old, Rebuilding the Gold. We have to use the word destruction. That's what the old needs. It has hurt so many, pulled down so many. The old does not deserve mercy. The old is no more. Rebuilding with gold takes courage, takes time, takes care, takes work. Rebuilding takes comfort and togetherness, unity. That's how it has to be from now on. For us to leap, to cross this challenge, we must suit up. We must get dirty, get to know the shadows, our shadows. We must bring them forth, show them love, shower them with affection so they melt on their own into the beautiful expression of life. We take for granted our shadows, but they made us who we are today. Without them, we would not progress so quickly. Yes, a few thousand years is quickly. We needed our shadows, but not anymore. Now we stand together. We stand strong. We stand for freedom. Freedom from judgment, labels, boxing in. Freedom from depression, anxiety. The power is within. The power is within the mind. Use your mind to reflect. Reflect out into the world that what you wish to see in it. Be what you wish to see. Do the things you wish to do. Follow that burning heart of yours that knows the truth, knows what you need and want and seek day after day, night after moony night. Reflect upon your thoughts, grab them hostage, and shake loose the madness, shake loose the optical illusions, the mental illusions. They serve no purpose now. They are no longer useful. Not this day, not in the golden age. You are the master. You have always been. The universe is made for you, by you, and you are made for it. Now open your eyes and go play. Namaste.